Good morning, everyone. I'm back again with English literature work. Open your English literature notebooks. Yesterday we did chapter number 10, Uncle Richard's New Year dinner. New words, word meanings, fill in the blanks, and true false. Today we'll be starting with who said these to whom. Number 1. I'm surprised that your father let you come. So this was said by Uncle Richard to Prissy. Uncle Richard said to Prissy. Number 2. It was very kind of you, Uncle said to Prissy. Number 3. Uncle Richard should be home soon, Prissy said to herself. Number 4. Indeed, it will, Prissy said to Uncle Richard. After that, we'll write date again. Write down date here also. 22/12/20. After heading, leave one line. 1 finger gap and neat handwriting. On a new page, write down date again. Heading, answer the following questions. Full stop. Leave one line. Question number 1. Why did Prissy think that it was going to be fun? For Prissy, it would be fun that she didn't tell anyone about the plan. So Prissy thought it would be fun because she had not told her father and uncle about her plan, that she was planning a dinner for uncle. So both Prissy's father and uncle was not aware about it. Question number 2. Why was Uncle Richard surprised? Now, Uncle Richard was surprised that Prissy prepared dinner for him. So he was very surprised because Uncle Richard and Prissy's father, they had not talked for many years. Richard had quarreled with Prissy's father, Irving, many years ago. The two brothers had not spoken to each other after that. So, when he saw Prissy in the kitchen, he was surprised. Number 3. What did Prissy do to spread cheer in her uncle's life? Uncle's life was very boring as he used to live alone. He said that he'll be unhappy this new year because nobody is there to share his happiness. So Prissy cooked an entire meal for her uncle. She prepared all potatoes and different kinds of cuisine. She even baked his favorite pudding, raisin pudding she prepared. She told him that her father still loved him. She brought company, comfort and joy into her uncle's life. Last question, question number 4. Why did Uncle Richard eat his meal so heartily? He was so overwhelmed and he was so happy. He ate his meal heartily. Uncle Richard was very grateful for the hot meal lying ready on the dinner table for him. He was also very happy as his own niece was there to accompany him. He was happy because Prissy was there to accompany him while he had his New Year dinner. I've forgotten to write year here. New Year dinner. So he ate heartily. Clear? So now complete your work. Today we have done who said these to whom, and we have done 4 question answers. Bye bye.